What's happening, y'all? Well, this week was a good week, good trading week. Um, I'm the new I'm the new guy on the charts. You feel me? Um, been doing a lot, man. I'm narrowing down everything. I got some websites and stuff, some people to talk to about websites this weekend. So, I'm back in the mood, I'm back in the grind, seeing what's going on out here, in here and all that. I'm just handling my business, you feel me? Um, yeah, let's get to the charts, man. I had a couple of trades lined up for the day, but they didn't hit yet. I wound up getting stuck in the trade. I ain't really jump out. That was like I'm negative right now, but it's just a hold. It's literally just a hold. You know what I'm saying? But looking at the chart right now, this is oil. Okay, so you see right here, I'm already marked up right here, marked up for about 300-400 pips. All right. Um, yeah, man. It's just a miniature pullback right now. Okay, I got in on the pullback. I got in like right there as soon as it came in my zone, but it's still pulling back. Obviously I got in too early. So this is one of the things that I'm learning for myself that sometimes I might just be getting in too early. You know what I mean? This was another trade I had tried to take right here, but it didn't pull back into my zone, so I didn't take the trade or whatever the case may be. Um, here goes my high. Okay, this is my previous lower high, higher low, and we broke it. Boom. All right, we broke it. This right here was the retest, and it dropped a little bit. And as you can see, boom, came back, filled filled up this gap, but this was another area for you to get inside the market for you to take the sell. I think I did get in around here also, but I wound up getting knocked out the trade, and then it dropped on me. So this is my second chance right now to get into the trade, and it's pulling back on me right now. Um, it's pulling back on me right now, but I'm definitely looking forward to a nice little sell. I'm just going to continue holding. See, we're about to drop. It's just only a matter of time. We're not making no new highs. Okay, not making no new highs. So right here was the change of direction here, and this was the retest for the buy. Okay, this was the retest for the buy, but it went up and we didn't break. We didn't break above, or rather we did. Rather we did. But however, it's a small. No, we didn't break. We didn't break. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, we didn't break. We didn't break. Boom. We still didn't break. Boom. Boom. See? Right here is a break below again, so change the direction. All right, because here we go. I have a change of direction right here. All right, but this is another change of direction right here. The markets just keep doing that. This is what you call consolidation. That's all it's doing. Is just a big pullback. It might even keep on pulling back to right here, but we're losing momentum. We are losing momentum right here. You know what I'm saying? So um, this could be just a little fake out type of situation because this right here is the retest. You know what I mean? But like I said, we're not making no new highs. So I'm still holding my trade. I'm confident in my trade that we're not going to break above the zones. Okay, and what's the zones? What's the zones? this. They have to break above this. For me to consider a buy, I have to break above this. I'm not breaking above the highs. It's not, you know, it's not breaking above the highs. So I'm looking for a short. Okay. I'm still looking for a short with oil. All right. Oil is, you know, going up, but this is just like I said, it's consolidation. All right. Consolidation. And we losing momentum as you can see. All right. So sooner or later, boom. Nice little drop. Down here. Oh, even 600 pip move where it's at. So, I'm not going to jump in again. I'm just going to just let it just play out and make some money. You know what I'm saying? We not, like I said, we're not making no new highs, and this is just consolidation. All right, consolidation. Um, this is the true high here. Here go the true high here. We're not coming up here, so we're definitely going to look for a short. Another trade that I was in today was gold. um, so there was a buy. There was a buy call from right here. Um, I wound up missing the trade. I missed this trade. It's going to 15. Okay. This is the trade right here. I was supposed to get in. As you see, I have marked it up. I marked it up. You know what I'm saying? But it didn't wind up working in my direction. I mean, working in my favor. I mean, yeah. This was the retest here, and then shot up. So what I did was, I did um, I did mark it up. I think this was supposed to be my entry. Okay, but it didn't come down. It came down to the point of interest, continuation level, and it shot back up. Okay, so I wound up. I think I made some money on this, but I didn't make too much. I think I jumped in too late, like right here. I made some money up there. I think I did it, but I know for sure. I took a sale. I took a sale. Um, and now I'm going for a buy. Okay, now I'm going for a buy. Um, we're not. I don't think this is done dropping. I think we probably got like one more drop. You know what I'm saying? Probably got like one more drop. Probably jumping around these areas here. And then the point this is the point of interest. Okay. We did break this high here. So definitely we're looking for a buy. So we shouldn't break this low here. We shouldn't break this low. You know what I'm saying? We shouldn't break this low. Um, this is my zones. I marked up my zones. Bring out the fibs. Boom. So right around this area right here, my 618 area, or in between, right here is the perfect area to jump in the trade. And we looking for a next rally to the top. Period. There we go. Right here. Boom. Okay. Nice little for 400 pips, 4,000 pip move. 400 pip move. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get it, man. This is what we doing, man. Like, we're just gonna get ahead and get this money, man. We're not playing around with this shit. You know what I'm saying? We're not playing around with this, man. I want that Lambo truck, man. So, I'm looking forward to a new life of me living with this forex in my portfolio, along with all the other things that I'm doing. You know, but this has been a long time coming, and I'm not going to take this for granted. I'll keep on doing what I gotta do and do the best that I can do. I don't want to keep this video too long. Those are the two trades that I'm in right now. Actually, I'm waiting. Market's closed right now. I will be. I don't know because I be doing that, but I might take a Bitcoin trade if I see something. We're looking for a nice sell right now on Bitcoin. We're not breaking highs and we're dropping. We're already turning around. Look, we're already turning around. Already turning around. Okay. So here we go. Let's see where we going. All right. So we could be coming back up there. That's my high. All right. This is my high and low. This is my high, but we didn't break. We didn't even break. We started dropping after that. Got a little break right here though. Nope, it didn't even break. But yep, we didn't break or nothing like that. Came back down. Okay, we didn't break below here. Okay. Came back up, we didn't break above. Okay, go to break here. Boom. Change the direction. Retest. This point of interest candle right here. That's why it came back up. Boom. Drop. This is your second chance right now to get into the market for a nice little sell. I think I might take this trade. I think I might take this trade. It look like we're going all the way back down here. Oh yeah, I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. So, let's do our little bias, our time frame, see what that's aiming for. You see what I'm saying? This is how people be making mistakes and be thinking they're going in a sell. This is just a miniature sell. I wouldn't even take the trade because simple fact that I know, looking at the high time frame, we're going up. We're going up. You know what I'm saying? Right now, whatever this is short. This is short. But I'm gonna let that one just rock out. We already broke above. This is a supply area right here. So that's why it's having rejection right now. Okay. It's my supply area right here. Alright. Also, if you look, we having a nice teacup. That's what this is forming right now. So this is why I say, like, you guys want to learn how to really, really trade, come and mess with me, man. Boss up, rock with the boss, man. I ain't gonna stay wrong. If anything, I'm sticking to the money. That's all I'm trying to get. So you already know how the teacup work. Be right there, or be like right here, in the area. Since it had rejection right there, right? It could be like that. This could be the teacup. Here goes the move. Here goes the move. Here goes the move. That's the move. Boom. And then push up. That's all that. That's the real move. That's the real move. So right now it's going to sell. and it's gonna sell for a little while. Um, I mean, I could get into this trade. I'm not gonna lie to you because it's money and I know where it's going. Um, I could get into this trade real quick, make some money going down, and then right around these areas, probably around here. This is the point of interest candle right here. I'll probably mess around and take the trade down there into those areas, right down here into these areas. Okay. Um, does it bust up, drop, come up, drop, come up, drop? Feel what I'm saying? That's what it's doing. That's what it's doing. It's consolidating. It's going to drop down. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trade. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm taking this trade, y'all. I'm not even being thirsty. It's just I'm trying to get better. So I'm just trying to take what I see. You know what I'm saying? If I'm really that good, right? then I should be able to hit them joints if I see it, right? But I trade the setup. I don't trade. I trade the setup. Let's do this, man. Uh, there we go. Oh, let me see. Also, I ain't seeing too much. You feel me? All right. So look, I want to see what's going on. Let's see. Let's see what we want to trade. Trade. 1 hour. Oops. I got a lot of lines on my shit right now. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of lines. I don't like that shit. All right. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. Yep. I'm about to take this. I can definitely take this. Definitely about to take this. Strong going up though. Equal highs. Oops. Y'all. Let me take this off.
it was dependency. Am I innocent, all on the highway? Confused, being needed with love every day. Let people drain me and I still stay thinking there's loyalty, but it wasn't that way. Seen it in the hood, seen it in close friends. Everybody's solid till the benefit ends. I learned people don't miss you. They miss what you do for them. You don't love me, you just hit me when it's urgent. Only call my line when your whole life hurting. Soon as it's fixed, you move like a stranger. Had me think it's love, whole time it was a favor. I was just the one you came to when it burning. Now I'm falling back, I ain't answering in person. You can keep that love, I don't need it, it ain't certain. I just let it die, I ain't trying to revive nothing. You used to hit me when your car wasn't starting to cold. Voice shaking like you was losing control. Midnight calls, I was already on road. Never asked why, I just played my role. Sometimes it was money, sometimes it was time. Sometimes it was just me picking your mind. You ain't noticed I was losing mine, but I stayed every time like it was a line. I thought that's what love was, being consistent. Even when my own life wasn't efficient, I was fixing yours while I stayed distant. Never thought it turned this inconsistent. And I noticed the tone in your messages switch. Short replies when I'm asking for a little bit, but when you need something, they turn into scripts. Like I only exist when your world get hit. I brushed it off, said maybe I'm tripping, but patterns don't lie when you pay attention. Same energy shifting in different directions. I was giving my all, you was building extensions. You don't love me, you just hit me when it's urgent. Only call my line when your whole life hurting. Soon as it's fixed, you move like a stranger. Let me think it's love, whole time it was a favor. I was just the one you came to when it burning slow. Now I'm falling back, I ain't answering in person. You can keep that love, I don't need it, it ain't certain. I just let it die, I ain't reviving nothing. Yeah, fast forward, now I'm up just a little bit. Now I'm crazy, but you're feeling it quick. Now you text like you changed, you different. Nah, I just stopped being your safety net limit. Now you bring up old favors like that, like kindness got interest attached to it yet. But you ain't mentioned the nights I was there when your whole situation was stuck in despair. I asked you once, you ever do that for me? Silence told me everything I needed to see. That's when I knew it was never loyalty, just convenience disguised as belief. Nah, I don't react, I just observe and learn. Energy tell the truth even when words turn. You can say what you want, but it don't concern. I already seen what I need in return. Now I keep distance, no closeness involved. If it ain't mutual, I let it dissolve. No emotional weight, I gotta resolve. I just let people be what they evolve. I gave you my nights, you gave me urgency. I thought it was love, it was dependency. And I ain't innocent, I learned the hard way. Confused, being needed with love every day. Let people drain me and I still will stay. Thinking that's loyalty, but it wasn't that way. Seen it in the hood, seen it in close friends. Everybody solid till the benefit ends. I peep everything now. I don't react no more. They switch up, I just let it show. And I'm saving it. Once it change, it gone. Aight. She got comfortable, started changing tone. Like I ain't built to move alone. I seen it early, I don't react. I just adjust and don't look back. They already know. I swap my bitches like I swap my cars. Can't hit a bitch more than twice. Hit her once and they all buzzing. My phone got like 10 missed calls in an hour span. I don't even scroll through names no more. Just red dots stacking up like background noise. I seen it, I just don't react. Dubai call like Wayne. What has Sydney? Where you at? I miss you. I let it ring. I don't respond. Monaco text like, to me, mom, I miss you. I see it flash, then I dim the light. London voice no say I need you now. I let it play, but I don't know how. Paris pink like rip on wine. I watch it fade, then I slide. Soul message like Opa or Dia. I read it once, then I'm gone. Tokyo line like I don't reply. I just move on. New York call still ringing heavy. I let it hear voicemail endlessly. Los Angeles text say you good. I see it, I don't even look. Miami little vibe like where you at? I left on red, I don't chat back. Toronto voice like you switching up. I don't answer, I stay stuck. Brazil ping like busted some you de novo. I disappear more. South Africa girl say Nyakwatanda. I don't respond, I don't need that. Same energy, different language, same shit. I turn feelings into baggage, gone. They all the same when you strip it down. Smiling person, switch when I'm not around. I don't attach, I don't explain. I just disappear inside the game. Yeah. Listen to the code I learned in motion. Don't confuse attention with devotion. I seen too many niggas falling fast, causing damage from the past. You let emotion lead your decisions. You already in a prison. It starts sweet, then it shift the tone. Now you stuck trying to fix what's gone. So I move different, I observe first. Woo! Never let it get worse. You gotta watch how fast they attach. That energy don't match. It come heavy, then it disappear. That pattern always clear. So I don't rush into nothing deep. I just let distance be. If she consistent, I respect that. If she switch, I detect that. No confrontation, no reaction, just subtraction. That's how you stay in control of self. Protect your mental health. Too many voices want your attention, but they don't mention intention. So I keep space, I don't collapse, I don't relapse. I don't let feeling override truth. That's how you lose, you gotta move like you already seen it. Nah, how you dream it, that's the real street lesson I carry. Stay wary, but never emotional in the process. That's progress. Yeah, I had to learn what silence means. It ain't what it seems. Silence ain't weakness, it's control. It protect your soul. You respond wrong, you lose position. That's the condition. So I don't react off impulse. That's how you get stuck. Everything I see, I just note it. I don't promote it. If it changed once, it'll change again. That's the pattern within. So I don't rebuild with time erase. I just change pace. No second chance on inconsistency. That's my policy. I seen loyalty get replaced quick, so I don't chase it. I don't romanticize return energy. That's not for me. If it leave, it was supposed to. That's what growth do. I don't argue with destiny signs. I just realign everything temporary in motion. That's my devotion. I don't hold grudges, I hold distance. That's my existence. You gotta master detachment fully. Move accordingly, feel less, see more clearly. Live sincerely, that's the code, that's the reason. Every season, I stay grounded in my decisions. No revisions, yeah. I don't react like I used to. I just move different. She started switching up, I peeped that. Woo. Now I move different, I don't speak back. Woo. She want control, I don't need that. Woo. Two can play, I don't bleed that. I don't bleed it. Different energy, I don't stay long. Same face, I just move on. She thinks she's special, I've been gone. Two can play, I stay strong. Yeah. I just drift. Yeah. I peep everything down. I don't react no more. They switch up, I just let it show. Ain't no saving it. Once it change, it gone. Aight.
Good up, BJ Casey.
She got comfortable, started changing tone. Like I ain't built to move alone. I seen it early, I don't react. I just adjust, don't look back. They already know. I swap my bitches like I swap my cars. Can't hit a bitch more than twice. Hit them once and they all buzzing my phone. Got like 10 missed calls in an hour span. Don't even scroll through names no more. Just red dots stacking up like background noise. I seen it, I just don't react. Dubai call like Wayne. Why shit me?
Where you at? I miss you.
I let it ring, I don't respond. Monaco text like to me more.
I miss you.
I see it flash, then I dim the light. London voice no say I need you now. I let it play, but I don't know how. Paris ping like rep on moi. I watch it fade, then I slide. Soul message like Opa. I read it once, then I'm gone. Tokyo line like I die. I don't reply, I just move on. New York call still ringing heavy. I let it hit voicemail endlessly. Los Angeles text say you good, I see it. don't even look. Miami, little vibe, like where you at? I left on red, I don't chat back. To run a voice like you switching up. I don't answer, I stay stuck. Brazil ping like, what's this muting over? I disappear more. South Africa girl singing Yakutanda. I don't respond, I don't need that. Same energy, different language, same shit. I turn feelings into baggage, gone. They all the same when you strip it down. Smiling person switch when I'm not around. I don't attach, I don't explain. I just disappear inside the game. Yeah. Listen to the code I learned in motion. Don't confuse attention with devotion. I seen too many niggas falling fast, causing damage from the past. You let emotion lead your decisions. You already in a prison. It starts sweet, then it shift the tone. Now you stuck trying to fix what's gone. So I move different, I observe first. Never let it get worse. You gotta watch how fast they attach. That energy don't match. It come heavy, then it disappear. That pattern always clear. So I don't rush into nothing deep. I just let distance speak. If she consistent, I respect that. If she switch, I detect that. No confrontation, no reaction, just subtraction. That's how you stay in control of self. Protect your mental health. Too many voices want your attention, but they don't mention intention. So I keep space, I don't collapse. I don't relapse, I don't let feeling override truth. That's how you lose. You gotta move like you already seen it, not how you dream it. That's the real street lesson I carry. Stay wary, but never emotional. In the process, that's progress. Yeah, I had to learn what silence mean. It ain't what it seems. Silence ain't weakness, it's control. It protects your soul. You respond wrong, you lose position. That's the condition. So I don't react off it. Post, that's how you get stuck. Everything I see, I just note it. I don't promote it. If it changed once, it'll change again. That's the pattern within. So I don't rebuild with time erase. I just change pace. No second chance on inconsistency. That's my policy. I seen loyalty get replaced quick, so I don't chase it. I don't romanticize return energy. That's not for me. If it leave, it was supposed to. That's what growth do. I don't argue with destiny signs. I just realign. Everything temporary motion. That's my devotion. I don't hold grudges, I hold distance. That's my existence. You gotta
Wow. I don't know what's going on now.